Hello students, how are you? So today in trigonometry 16, I am going to explain you about the angles of sine 7.5 degrees, cos 7.5 degrees, tan 7.5 degrees and cot 7.5 degrees. So let us go to sine 7.5 degrees. So for knowing sine 7.5 degrees, we will use the formula, submultiple formula for sine and cos related is sine theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Now I'll use the formula here. Sin theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 2. Now put theta is equal to 15 degrees because 15 half is 7.5. So we'll get here sin 15 by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos 15 degrees divided by 2. Now we'll get here sin 15 by 2 is sin 7.5 degrees is equal to square root of 1 minus, what is cos 15 value? Already I explained in previous classes, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole divided by 2. So this is the formula 2 ma. Now we'll get sin 7.5 degrees as, take LCM here, we'll get for 1 comma 2 root 2 LCM is 2 root 2. 1 in 2 root 2, 2 root times will go. 2 root 2 into 1 is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 into root 2 1 time will go. 1 into numerator is root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. So this divided by 2 becomes its reciprocal 1 by 2 under root. Now we'll get this value as 2 root 2 open bracket with minus sign, minus into plus minus root 3 minus into plus minus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 root 2 under root. So this is the value of sine 7.5 degrees. This is the value of sine 7.5 degrees. Now what is complement of 7.5? 82.5. So sine 7.5 degrees can be written as sine 90 minus 7.5, that is 82.5 degrees. So 82.5, 90 minus 82.5 means 7.5 only. Now it is in the form of sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, that is cos 82.5 degrees. So sin 7.5 degree is equal to cos 82.5 degree, which is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus 1 divided by 4 root 2 under root. So this is the value. Now I'll find the value of cos 7.5 degrees. For that I'll use the formula cos theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 2. Now replace the value, theta is equal to 15 degrees. So we will get here cos 15 by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus cos 15 degrees divided by 2. So cos 15 by 2 is nothing but cos 7.5 degrees is equal to square root of 1 plus, replace the value of cos 15 degrees. So cos 15 degrees is nothing but, already I told you the value of cos 15 as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole divided by 2. Now by taking LCM we will get 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This denominator 2 becomes its reciprocal, it becomes 1 by 2 under root. Now we'll get the value as 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 root 2 under root. So this is the value of cos 7.5 degrees. So what is complement of 7.5 degrees? Complement of 7.5 degrees is equal to 82.5 degrees. So cos 7.5 degrees can be written as cos of 90 minus 82.5 degrees. So 90 minus 82.5 is nothing but 7.5 only. It is in the form of cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta, that is sin 82.5 degrees. So we'll get the value of cos 7.5 degrees is equal to sin 82.5 degrees, whose value is 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 divided by 4 root 2 under root. Now we found the values of sin 7.5 degrees, cos 7.5 degrees, cos 82.5 degrees and sin 82.5 degrees. So to get tan 7.5 degrees, you simplify sin 7.5 divided by cos 7.5 degrees. And tan 82.5 degrees obtain, it is a ratio of sin 82.5 degrees divided by cos 82.5 degrees. Okay, ma? To simplify this and find the answer by rationalizing the denominator. Okay, students, I'll stop my class here. If you like, please like and share my class. Thank you, ma, and subscribe my channel.